Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Podio for organizing investor leads and deals. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Podio account and log in. Navigate to your workspace where you want to organize investor leads and deals. Click on the Add App button to create a new app. In the app creation window, give your app a name such as Investor Leads. Choose the Start from Scratch option to build. Begin by adding essential fields for your investor leads. Create a text field for the investor's name. Add a phone number field to capture contact information. Include an email field to store the investor's email address. Create a drop-down field for the investment status, with options like New, In Contact, and Closed. Add a date field to track when the insert a notes field for additional comments or follow-up information. Once you have set up the necessary fields, click Save to create your app. Next, return to your workspace and open your new app. Click on Add Item to start entering your investor leads. Fill in the fields with the relevant information for each investor. To streamline the process, consider using a template for recurring lead entries. After entering a few leads, look into adding filters to sort by investment status. Use the filter options to view only the leads that are in a specific status. This will help you focus on your current priorities. Moving on, create another app for managing deals. Again, click on the Add App button and name it Deals. Use similar steps to add fields specifically related to deals. Include fields like deal amount, investor, and closing date. Link the Deals app to the Investors app using the Relationship field. This will allow you to associate each deal with its related investor. Next, add a calculation field to automatically track the number of deals per investor. Once your apps are set up, start exploring overview and report features. Utilize the dashboard to monitor overall progress and key metrics. Encourage collaboration by inviting team members to join your workspace. Provide access levels according to their roles in the investment process. Finally, regularly review and update your apps to ensure they meet your evolving needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.